Hello everyone, I'm Mo, and I have lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months by consuming the right ingredients, and so have hundreds of our clients, and I know you can as well. Now the questions are simple. Does eating late at night slow down your metabolic weight loss? 2, is intermittent fasting really the key to burning fat? Science has the answers. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried fasting. Do me a favor, click subscribe for more science-backed weight loss tips. Now, meal timing isn't just about what you eat. It's about when you eat. Research shows that aligning meals with your body's natural rhythms can improve weight loss and your metabolism and improve your aging. Right now, early meal consumption can boost weight loss. And how we know this is there's a study published in Obesity that's found that individuals who ate their meals before 3 p.m. would lose more weight than those who ate later. Even when your calorie intake and your activity levels were the exact same, later eaters also experience slower fat loss. And here's something to also know. With all of the clients, we track their daily eating regimen and time frames, and I can also guarantee you that this has worked 100% of the time. There is nobody on the plan that has eaten later that would have lost the same weight as somebody who eats earlier in the day. It just does depend on your lifestyle, but if you can make it happen to where you're eating earlier in the day and ending earlier in the day, your body can spend more time in autophagy, especially while you're sleeping. That's really, I think, the reason. Now, another thing is eating late will harm your metabolism. Your body's metabolism does follow a circadian rhythm, meaning it processes food differently based on the time of day. Now, research shows that eating late at night will impair your glucose tolerance, and that entail will increase your obesity risk. Bottom line, if weight loss is your goal, then shifting your meals earlier in the day will help you burn fat more efficiently. Okay. Another thing you can use to your advantage is intermittent fasting throughout this. And it's one of the most popular meal timing strategies you could do. Now, the question is, how does it actually help with weight loss? So look, a systematic review of 27 trials found that intermittent fasting led to weight loss ranging from 0.8% to 13% of the baseline body weight, even when calorie intake stayed the same. Okay. Now, intermittent fasting can also improve your insulin sensitivity, and it will guarantee reduce inflammation. Some studies even suggest that the main reason intermittent fasting works is simply because it reduces your calorie intake. Now, some of the best fasting windows for weight loss would be the 16-8 method, which is where you fast for 16 hours a day and then have an 8-hour eating window. And in this video, the point is to get you to understand that 8-hour eating window should be earlier in the day, and then you limit it being from later in the day, because then your body will use that for energy, and then the rest of the time it's burning fat. Another thing you could do is the 18-6. My personal favorite is the 22-2, but it just depends on the person, or being able to do the OMAD, which is just one meal a day, which is extreme fasting, but it's not necessary for everyone. Okay. The question is, though, does intermittent fasting work for everyone? Yes. We have never seen it not work on somebody, but do understand your body will adapt to how fast it's burning the fat. So once you've done it long enough, your body will stop only needing to burn fat because it's become such an efficient machine. And that's where you need to make some changes in the meal plan and the macronutrients intake. Now, what is the best approach for you? Should you just focus on meal timing or just your calories? And my recommendation technically is both. Let's do that again. So should you focus on your meal timing or just what you're consuming? My answer there would be both. If you struggle with cravings, late night eating, or insulin resistance, then fasting or earlier meals will guarantee help. Now, if you perform best with steady energy throughout the day, you need to focus on a balanced whole food meals approach instead. And then no matter what you eat, controlling what ingredients you put in your body will 100% allow you to optimize the nutrition that you're feeding into your machine. Now, look, if you want a guaranteed weight loss approach without the guesswork, You can join our online coaching program. We're finally open again to accepting new clients as we've gotten new coaches that are killing it with the past set of clients. So it's super exciting to be able to offer this. Now you can get a custom meal tailored plan that fits your specific body type, along with one-on-one expert coaching and mentorship for your daily support. And not only that, but you're going to get a smart scale and a continuous glucose or ketones monitor that's going to allow us to track your progress and how your body is reacting to certain ingredients. And most importantly, your coach will chat with you daily and have a live weekly call where you go over the last week numbers and the new week strategy, because we want to make sure we give you the guaranteed weight loss that we are promising. It has been 100% weight loss success, and it's just because we use science and we make it easy and simple. So just get started on your own weight loss journey with or without us. Remember, our goal here is to help thousands of lives shed millions of pounds. And if you want a chance to get a free retreat or be one of our free coaching clients that we're offering monthly, there's a link below with an entry for our giveaway. We do it once a month, and we give 5 people for the online coaching and 1 person for the retreat. Now the question is simple, now you got to think about it. Okay, what's your eating window? Do you practice intermittent fasting? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about losing weight the right way, please like and share and subscribe for more science-backed weight loss tips that we get to see happen to customers daily. I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay. What's your eating window? Do you practice intermittent fasting? Let me know what you think in the comments below and how your lifestyle works to this, and how this works for your lifestyle or doesn't work. And if you're serious about weight loss the right way, please share and like this video as we get more people who need this and can also benefit from it. It would mean the world to us. I will see you guys in the next video, or I will see you on the other side of your weight loss journey.